Chicago, we're set to see billions, possibly even more cicadas this spring. With Illinois, the center of emergence, we will see more than anywhere else in the country. Experts telling our Tara Molina there will be no avoiding them, but there are ways to prepare for them. She's joining us with those details and more.
Cicadas will buzz around the city and the entire state, where 2 different broods will crawl out of the ground at once. The cicadas we'll see here, they've been underground since 2007, for 17 years. In Springfield, they'll see both broods, the other underground for 13 years. Sustained by plant roots, he says you don't need to worry about them emerging from any part of your home. Once they do come up,
they will definitely be in people's yards. They will be all around people's homes, but they're not likely to get into your home.
Cicadas aren't toxic. They don't bite or sting and won't go after your garden. But if you've recently planted a tree, this is the time to put a cover over it. They're actually good for the soil. That means your lawn and wildlife, according to the EPA, already warning pesticides aren't effective against them.
Leave them alone and they will go away eventually.
And when they do, something else to prepare for.
My grandpa loves the cicadas.
My grandpa loves the cicadas. I'm holding enough for him.
You're scared. You look scared of it, man. Closer.
Doodoo.
Alright, okay. Camille!
Alright. Take it.
Ayan, okay, now, okay.
Papa, I'm not scared of the cicadas.
I'm gonna put it in my mouth. By my mouth. You're not going to eat it. Oh, there you go. Hey, Isa, don't do that. Isa, don't do that. That's pretty cool, yeah. Alright.
Yeah, Papa.
Hang on. Okay, do it.
Papa! You have the cicadas!
What was that? Put it by your mouth like this. Ah! Oh, look at that. See, she's not even scared of it, Olivia.
Hold it with you.
Live and laugh.
Let's take a good breath. I will do it with you. Okay.
Amy, look at it. Okay, ready? Go.
Papa, how dare you?
Okay,
You monster!
Okay, do it by your mouth. Oh, you don't bite it.
Oh my gosh.
That's enough, dude. That's enough.
Show it to mommy.
Oh my gosh, you're crazy, girl. You're crazy.
All done.
All done. So let go. So at least it's like next to us.
There you go, yeah. All right, we're
Okay,
taping.
dude.
Stop it.
Oh my gosh, get over it. You're not even touching it. Oh my gosh.
Ooh, he's scratching. Oh, yeah. You don't be scared, miss.
Let go.
Look at Isa playing around with it. Here, play with it. Here, get another one. Try it. Oh, look at Isa. He's holding 2. Wow, Isa. Put it up by your face. Put it up by your face, Isa. Oh, 2 cicadas. Are you kidding me? Ah, wow. That's my Isa. She's not even. Hang on. Okay now. Alright. Look at that. Olivia's not scared of it anymore. Yes. There you go, buddy. There you go. Already.
Hey,
Okay, do it now. 2 of them. Look at that, Levi. He's got 2. Wow. Good job, Levi. Say something. I'm not scared of it, Papa.
I'm not scared of the 2 cicadas.
Cicadas on my hand.
Are you taking pictures again?
You want to try it?
There you go.
Okay. Oh, that's good. Lower now. Lower, lower, lower. I can see your face. Down. There you go. Okay. Why? Why?
Do you want the rice?
Don't press anything. Oh, you pray. No. Hold it now. Hold the cicadas. Hold it, so we can take picture. Hold it. Stop recording. Matt, show it to Papa. Not like that. Show it to, like that, like Matt. Like, put by your mouth. Close your mouth. Like this. You ain't gonna eat it like that, like that. Alright, okay, thank you. Why are you eating like that? Oh, see? Show it to your ear, Danny. Danny, show it to Papa. No, like that, just like that. You want it, Jay-Z? Give it to Jay-Z, give it to Jay-Z. Jay-Z, hold it, Jay-Z. Hold it, Jay-Z. Isa, where's the other bag? Isa, where did you put it? Say hi, Papa.
Hi. Hi, Papa.
I'm not scared of the bug. Say it, I'm not scared of the bug.
Put it in your mouth.
Just look at. Say, Papa, I'm not scared of the bug.
I'm not scared of the bug.
All right.